Good afternoon, guys. Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here, and today I'm going to be showing you a 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. One of Sea Ray's most popular day boats for a very good reason. I'll tell you a lot about it as we go through it. As you can see, this has a beautiful two-tone quantum blue white hull bottom, as well as an upgraded sport arch top on it. This boat is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke 300 horsepower outboard. Very quiet, very fuel efficient, but also still has the ability to get into that sport exhaust mode feature to give it that little bit more of a growl, if you will, give it a little bit more of a sportier feel. Let's hop up in here, I'll show you a little bit more. Now that we're up here on the back of the boat, on the aft swim deck of this boat, which is rather large if you can see it in the video, this does have seat deck on it, which is very comfortable when you're walking around. This boat does come equipped with an in-floor cooler, which has a drain plug in it. So once you're done with the day, just unplug it, all the water and ice drains out very easily. On this side, we do have a very cool feature, which is probably one of my favorite on the boat, is this massive storage bin that allows you to store wakeboards, water skis, or anything of size, water tubes, etc. And as you can see right here, we do have a nice DC outlet as well as USB ports. So if you wanted to air up any of the inflatable water toys without manually doing it, just hook it up and you're good to go. Moving forward, this does have a fusion head unit, so you can change the radios very easily, as well as your battery switches here, so it's super convenient and very easy to find. This also reversible seat allows you to face forward or back, as well if you want to add more cockpit space. This whole back bench seat slides back, opening up much more sociability here in the cockpit. This does have another in-floor storage here, as well as right here. This has in it, this will be where your table head is stored, which you have a nice spot to set up a table there, as well as into the bow. Both seats on the passenger side and captain side are both forward and aft facing optional as well, so wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, you're able to fully utilize the boat space for socializing. This boat comes with a Simrad, upgraded Simrad screen, so the vessel view is integrated inside of it, connected to Mercury, so you're always going to be able to see your engine information, know your fuel levels, RPMs, hours, etc. If we open this up, as most people demand on a nice day cruising boat, is you do have a pump out head, and then with just a quick pull of this snap, this folds down and offers a big bed area, so if you wanted to stay overnight wherever you're at, take a nap, whatever you need to do. As well as a nice little storage bin here if you want to throw your phones or your wallet, anything of importance to you that you don't want flying out of the boat when you're moving. Finishing and walking through the front here, this does have a folding windshield as well as a little door to close it off so it doesn't allow the wind to tunnel through the boat, and it just makes it super simple. Very nice front board, front bow socializing area, as well as your own little cooler up here, so you can really utilize different sections of this boat for different types of socializing. You do have another slot here for the table, so as I mentioned earlier, you have one in the cockpit and here in the bow. Sea Ray makes a phenomenal day cruising boat. The Sea Ray 250 SDX is one of their popular boats for very good reasons. If you want to see or hear more about this, please give me a call. I'm Jacob Wright at MarineMax, Panama City. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.